Hi everyone! This is my routine. Today I change my desktop with different modes every month. I used Canva to make it. Did you know the website is so good for beginner or just make some simple design, I guess? I take my current design for last month and I just duplicate it and edit columns of calendar. In 2023, I will make a refresh mode I think. So I choose design with some green leaf as a border, then based on white. In the center still with the same picture. You can look how I attempt to make the background fit perfectly. It just take my time actually. The picture adjust with more green than before to look good at all. Under the picture, I write be the best version of yourself. I make be the best bigger than version of yourself. It's time to change the date of the calendar. I have to adjust the date from December 2022 to January 2023, making the color of the font fit the picture to look good. And don't forget to download to my PC. And then I will set up as the background and voila! I finished already. Look nice, right? Bye bye.